The iconic Mustang California Special returns for 2024. The Ford Mustang is an American icon that has been going strong for over 50 years. For 2024, Ford is bringing back a classic Mustang variant, the California Special. First introduced in 1968, the California Special paid tribute to the car's popularity in the Golden State. For 2024, Ford is reinventing this classic package with modern performance and an inspired retro design. At first glance, the 2024 Mustang California Special makes its heritage clear with the trademark fading side stripes in either gray or white. The rear faux gas cap rear badge harkens back to the original, as does the blacked-out grille with horizontal openings. Unique California Special badges adorn the sides and rear trunk, so everyone knows what's special about this Stang. Of course, retro's design touches are only part of the package. Underneath, the 2024 Mustang California Special is all modern muscle. The 5-liter Coyote V8 packs a potent 460 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, managed by either a slick 6-speed manual or 10-speed automatic transmission. Performance upgrades like a larger radiator, strut tower brace, and K-brace rear subframe stiffeners ensure that the CS has the chops to carve up a canyon road. The CS also features unique tuning for the MagneRide adaptive suspension and an active exhaust system to customize the driving experience. Drivers can easily switch between normal, sport, and track modes to go from a comfortable cruiser to an all-out performance machine at the push of a button. Moving inside, the California Special combines retro styling cues with premium modern features. The unique seating surfaces pair ebony black leather and perforated navy pier leather with metal gray accent stitching. The dashboard gets wrapped in soft touch material as well, with California Special badge embroidery on the passenger side. Ford really pulls out all the stops for the 2024 Mustang CS, including features like heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, 12-inch digital gauge cluster, and Sync 4 infotainment system as standard equipment. With premium audio, ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and more, the CS has one of the most luxurious Mustang cabins yet. Of course, style is still the name of the game for the California Special. Exterior enhancements like 19-inch alloy wheels, side scoops, rear lip spoiler, and quad exhaust tips give the CS plenty of curb appeal. The classic side stripes are now available in gray, white, or reflective appearances. Furthermore, Ford offers the CS in exclusive colors like Grabber Blue, Rapid Red Metallic, or Cyber Orange Metallic. The 2024 Ford Mustang California Special celebrates the iconic nameplate while delivering thoroughly modern driving excitement. With its unique mix of heritage design elements, premium features, and serious performance upgrades, this special edition Stang should appeal to Mustang enthusiasts of all types. Ford has not announced official pricing yet, but expect the California Special package to add between $3,000 to $5,000 to the Mustang GT Premium's MSRP. Given the exclusivity and equipment upgrades included, that seems like a small price to pay to own a modern piece of Ford history. The 2024 Mustang California Special brings back the classic West Coast vibe, but with much more power and technology. For Mustang traditionalists or buyers just looking for something unique, this special edition checks all the boxes. Look for the Mustang CS to hit dealerships later this year as Ford's most exciting Mustang to date. It may wear retro cues, but the 2024 California Special still looks forward to the pony car's bright future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.